Dear students, welcome to the today's chemistry class. We are discussing states of matter. In the last class we discussed Dalton's law of partial pressures and its application. Now in this class let us discuss the relationship between mole fraction and partial pressure of the gas. Relationship between mole fraction and partial pressures of gas. Relationship between mole fraction and partial pressure of the gas. Consider three gases. Consider the non-reactive three gases. Let's take A, B, C. Consider three non-reactive gases A, B, C enclosed in a closed container of volume capacity V. Three gases A, B, C enclosed in a closed container of volume capacity V at constant temperature. So that is consider three non-reactive gases A, B, C enclosed in a closed container of volume capacity V at constant temperature. Let Na, Nb and Nc are the number of moles of gases A, B and C respectively. That is, let Na, Nb and Nc are the number of moles of gases A, B and C respectively. The partial pressures of A, B and C gases are given by when we enclose three non-reactive gases A, B and C in a closed vessel of volume capacity V at constant temperature, having the number of moles Na, Nb and Nc, they exert individual pressures called as partial pressures. That partial pressures produced by the three gases A, B and C are given by according to the ideal gas equation. So that is Pa is the partial pressure exerted by gas A. Pa is equals to Na, number of moles of gas A, into RT divided by constant volume V. Call this as equation 1. So this is according to the PV is equal to nRT, ideal gas equation. So Pa is the partial pressure of gas A partial pressure of gas A, and similarly partial pressure of gas B is given by NB into RT divided by V. Call this as equation 2. Similarly, partial pressure exerted by gas C is given by PC is equals to NC into RT divided by V. Call this as equation 3. Now, according to Dalton's law, according to Dalton's law of partial pressures, according to Dalton's law of partial pressures, according to Dalton's law of partial pressures, we can write P total pressure exerted by a mixture of non-reactive gas is equal to sum of the partial pressure of PA, PB and PC. So P total is equals to PA plus PB plus PC. So then P total is equals to PA is nothing but NA RT divided by V. NA into RT divided by V plus PB NB RT divided by V NB into RT divided by V plus PC NC into RT divided by V. So now common factor is RT by V. So that P total is equals to NA plus NB plus NC into common is RT divided by V. Call this as equation 4. Now divide equation 1 by equation 4. Divide equation 1 by equation 4. So then we will get equation 1 is PA is equals to NA RT by V. NA RT divided by V whole divided by equation 4 P total is equals to NA plus NB plus NC into RT by V. Equation 4 is P total is equals to NA plus NB plus NC into RT by V. Now RT by V cancel, then remaining is PA divided by P total is equals to NA divided by NA plus NB plus NC. Now NA divided by NA plus NB plus NC is called as mole fraction of gas A. Mole fraction can be defined as ratio of number of moles of one gas divided by total number of moles of all three gases A, B, C in a solution. Ratio of number of moles of one component divided by total number of moles of all the components in the mixture is called as a mole fraction. So that we can write PA divided by P total is equals to NA by NA plus NB plus NC can be written as XA. Here X is nothing but mole fraction of gas A. So then PA means partial pressure of gas A. So that PA is equals to center side P total into XA. PA is equals to P total into fraction for gas A. Similarly, if we divide equation 2, by equation 4, we can get PB is equals to P total into XB, or PC for gas 3, PC is equals to P total into XC. So like this we will get the relationship between the mole fraction and so the partial pressure of the gas. Next, so another important topic, kinetic molecular theory of gases. Kinetic molecular theory of gases. So here important postulates or assumptions. Important postulates or assumptions. Important postulates or assumptions of kinetic molecular theory of gases. So according to this kinetic molecular theory of gases, we have 7 important postulates or assumptions. Number 1, first one is gases consists of large number of very tiny particles called as atoms and molecules. Gases consist of large number of very small particles. Those particles are called as atoms and molecules. And these particles of a particular gas, are identical with respect to the mass and size. So the first postulate is gases consists of large number of very small particles. Those particles are called as atoms or molecules. So it is gases consist of large number of very small particles. Those particles are called as atoms or molecules. These particles of a particular gas, are identical with respect to mass and size. So the first important postulate of kinetic molecular theory of gas is gases consist of large number of very small particles called as atoms and molecules. These particles of a particular gas are identical with respect to the mass and size. And second one is the particles of gas the particles of gas are considered as point masses. The particles of gas, that means atoms and molecules, gaseous atoms or gaseous molecules are taken as a point masses. Point masses. Hence, the actual volume of a gas molecule is neglected in comparison with the total volume of the gas. Gas particles are taken as a point mass. The actual volume occupied by individual gas molecule is neglected when compared to the total volume of the gas. Gas particles ತುಂಬಾ small size ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ and also large number of gas particles are present. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ volume occupied by the single gas molecule is neglected when we compare total volume of the gas in the container. The particles of gas are considered as point masses. The actual volume occupied by the individual gas molecule is neglected in comparison with the total volume of the gas. The total volume of the gas. So in comparison with the total volume of the gas, the actual volume occupied by the individual gas molecule is neglected. And third assumption is, under the conditions of ordinary temperature and pressure, means at ordinary temperature and pressure, there is no force of attraction between the gas molecules. We know very well, in the gaseous state, the intermolecular distances are very large, so that there is no force of attraction between the gas molecules. So there is no force of attraction between the gas molecules under the ordinary temperature and pressure. Under the conditions of ordinary temperature and pressure. Under the conditions of ordinary temperature and pressure, there is no force of attraction. There is no force of attraction between the gas particles. So under the conditions of ordinary temperature and pressure, there is no force of attraction between the gas particles. Okay, next, fourth assumption of kinetic molecular theory of gas is, see, gas molecules are in a state of constant random motion. Gas particles are in a state of constant random motion in all the possible directions in straight lines. Gas particles are in a state of random constant motion in all the possible directions, in a straight line. Andre gas molecules moves in a straight line. Gas molecules moves in a straight line randomly in all the possible directions. Fourth state of random constant motion, random constant motion in all the directions, in straight lines, they change their motion of movements. The gas particles change their direction of motion only when they collide with each other or when they collide with walls of the container. General agi container ಅಲ್ಲಿ gas molecules random ಆಗಿ in all the possible direction, okay, in straight lines movement ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. gas particles container ಅಲ್ಲಿ, okay, in straight lines random ಆಗಿ in all directions, ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅವುಗಳ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕೊಲೈಡ್ ಆದಾಗ, ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ವಾಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಲೈಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅವುಗಳ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The direction of motion, changes when they collide with each other, and also when they collide with the walls of the container, walls of the container. Next, fifth one, the fifth assumption of kinetic molecular area of gas is the collisions of gas molecules with walls of the container exerts high pressure. Gas particles ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ವಾಲ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೊಲೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆವಾಗ ಹೈ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. collisions of gas molecules with the walls of the container, collisions of the gas molecules with the walls of the container exerts high pressure. Collisions of the gas molecules with the walls of the container exerts high pressure. Next, sixth assumption is, see, during the collisions of gas molecules with themselves or during the collisions of gas molecules with walls of the container, there will be no loss of energy or there will be no gain of energy. So that collisions of gas molecules are perfectly elastic in nature. Elasticity, perfectly elastic in nature, is nothing but collisions of gas molecules do not gain energy or do not lose energy. Collisions of gas molecules are perfectly elastic. Collisions of gas molecules are perfectly elastic. That means, that is, no loss or gain of energy. collisions of gas molecules with themselves or with walls of the container, they do not lose energy or they do not gain energy. Hence, collisions of gas molecules are perfectly elastic. And seventh one is average kinetic energy of gas molecules. The average kinetic energy of gas molecules is directly depends on absolute temperature. You know very well, in the container, not all the gas molecules moves with constant speed. ಕಂಟೈನರ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಪೀಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. Average kinetic energy of gas molecule is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. Average kinetic energy. Average kinetic energy of gas molecules is directly proportional. Average kinetic energy is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. So that means when the temperature increases, the kinetic energy of the gas molecules is also increases. That is why kinetic energy of gas molecules is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. So these are the very important postulates or assumptions of a kinetic molecular theory of gases. So this is very important for 4 marks. Important question for 4 marks. This is very important for 4 marks. They will ask you to write or mention the important assumptions or postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gases.